Hello and welcome. In this course, we'll look at all the ways we can integrate Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. Our goal is to help you and your team improve on the project planning, management, delivery times, and overall quality of animation. Let's get started. For our first module, we'll talk about the advantages of working with Illustrator in After Effects. We'll start by comparing Illustrator and Photoshop when working in Adobe After Effects. As you all might know, one of the biggest differences between Illustrator and Photoshop is the use of vector and rasterized images. This is fundamentally important when working with After Effects, as the software gives us a few more options if we work using Illustrator vector files. Here are some of the advantages of using Illustrator with After Effects. Later on, we'll deep dive into these and more. By importing vector files into After Effects, we're able to use the continuous rasterize feature, which allows us to get crisp images no matter the scale we use them in. Turn vector layers into shape layers. All imported vector layers made from vector shapes can be transformed into shape layers. This allows for node and handle transformations as well as animation in After Effects. Copy and paste shape layers from Illustrator into After Effects. Illustrator and After Effects work great together and allow for a smooth work pipeline. This allows the user to easily copy and paste content from one software to the other. For example, shapes, masks, and position keyframes. Copy and paste text with the same font, size, and other text parameters. Photoshop can also copy text, but it won't keep parameters like size once we paste the text into After Effects. Import files as compositions with the same layers and layer names from the original Illustrator file. This is something that both Illustrator and Photoshop can do, but vector layers have far more options as we discussed earlier. This doesn't mean that Photoshop files should never be used for a project, as we know requirements may vary from one project to another. If your project allows for it, consider using Illustrator for all your asset design to create the best possible workflow.